Have you ever wondered what makes certain food combinations so irresistible? Why do some flavors just seem to perfectly complement each other, creating a taste sensation that's greater than the sum of its parts? Today, we're diving into the world of culinary chemistry to uncover the top 8 food combinations that taste great. From classic pairings to surprising duos, get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Let's start our delicious journey with a combination that has been a staple in many households for generations. First up, we have the timeless classic, peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly, a simple yet iconic pairing that has stood the test of time. But why does this combination work so well? The creamy, savory taste of peanut butter is perfectly balanced by the sweet, fruity flavor of jelly. The contrasting textures, smooth peanut butter and slightly chunky or smooth jelly, create a delightful mouthfeel. Whether you prefer grape, strawberry, or raspberry jelly, each adds its own unique sweetness and tartness, enhancing the nutty richness of the peanut butter. This combination is not only delicious but also nostalgic, reminding many of their childhood. It's a versatile combination that can be enjoyed in many ways. Spread it on toast for a quick breakfast, make a classic sandwich for lunch, or blend it into a smoothie for a unique twist. The possibilities are endless. It's no wonder this pairing is a favorite for all ages. The comfort and satisfaction it brings are unparalleled. Next, we head to the heart of Italian cuisine with a combination that's as fresh as it is flavorful. Tomato and basil, a duo that's at the core of many Italian dishes. What makes this combination so special? The fresh, tangy flavor of ripe tomatoes pairs beautifully with the aromatic, slightly peppery taste of basil. Together, they create a balance of sweetness and herbal freshness that enhances any dish. From caprese salads to margherita pizzas and classic pasta sauces, this combination is versatile and universally loved. The simplicity of these ingredients allows their natural flavors to shine, making every bite a celebration of freshness. A drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt, and you have a dish that's not only delicious but also a true taste of Italy. This combination is not limited to just a few dishes. It can be found in a variety of Italian cuisine, from bruschetta to tomato soup and numerous pasta dishes. The harmony between tomato and basil brings out the best in each dish, making it a staple in Italian cooking. The bright, refreshing flavors of tomato and basil are a perfect example of how simple ingredients can create extraordinary taste. For those with a sweet tooth, our next combination is sure to delight. Chocolate and coffee, a match made in heaven, especially for those who love desserts. But what is it about these two that makes them so irresistible together? The rich, deep flavors of coffee enhance the sweet, complex notes of chocolate. Coffee's natural bitterness provides a perfect counterbalance to chocolate's sweetness, creating a harmonious blend that's both indulgent and sophisticated. Whether in a mocha, a chocolate truffle, or a coffee-infused brownie, this combination elevates the flavor profile, making each bite or sip more decadent and satisfying. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, chocolate and coffee is a pairing that's hard to beat. The versatility of this combination is remarkable. From elegant layered cakes to creamy lattes and decadent ice creams, chocolate and coffee come together to create some of the most beloved desserts and beverages. The artistry behind combining chocolate and coffee is a testament to their perfect partnership. The meticulous process of infusing chocolate with coffee flavors results in a product that is both luxurious and deeply satisfying. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now, let's move on to a breakfast favorite that never goes out of style. Bacon and eggs, a staple of breakfast menus around the world. What makes this duo so beloved? The salty, smoky flavor of bacon pairs excellently with the rich, savory taste of eggs. The contrasting textures, crispy bacon and soft eggs, create a satisfying and hearty meal that's perfect to start the day. From sunny-side-up eggs with bacon strips to omelets and breakfast burritos, the versatility of this combination makes it a breakfast staple. The umami-rich bacon adds depth to the eggs, making each bite flavorful and fulfilling. It's no wonder this pairing is a favorite for breakfast lovers everywhere. The tradition of pairing bacon and eggs for breakfast dates back centuries and has evolved over time. This combination became popular in the United States in the early 20th century thanks to clever marketing and the growing availability of these ingredients. Around the world, bacon and eggs have taken on different forms, reflecting the culinary traditions of each culture. In the UK, a full breakfast includes bacon and eggs alongside sausages, beans, and more. In Japan, tamago cake gohan with bacon is a unique twist, while in Mexico, huevos rancheros offers a spicy, flavorful version. No matter where you are, the combination of bacon and eggs brings a comforting and hearty start to the day. What's more, for those who enjoy a touch of sophistication, our next combination is a true delight: cheese and wine, a pairing that has been enjoyed for centuries. But why do these two work so well together? Different types of cheese pair well with different wines. For example, a sharp cheddar might go well with a bold red wine, while a soft brie pairs nicely with a crisp white wine. The key is in balancing the flavors and textures. The rich, creamy texture of cheese complements the complex flavors of wine, enhancing the tasting experience. The acidity and tannins in wine help to cut through the richness of the cheese, cleansing the palate and preparing it for the next bite. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening, cheese and wine is a pairing that adds a touch of elegance to any occasion. The science behind cheese and wine pairing lies in the balance of acidity, tannins, and fat. The acidity in wine helps to cleanse the palate, while the tannins interact with the fats in cheese, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Attending a cheese and wine tasting event is a fantastic way to explore new flavors and learn about the subtleties of each pairing. It's an experience that delights the senses and expands your culinary horizons. Moreover, for a burst of freshness and zest, our next combination is a must-try: avocado and lime. Often used together in guacamole, but their harmony goes beyond that. What makes this combination so appealing? The creamy, buttery texture of avocado is enhanced by the zesty, tangy flavor of lime. The lime juice adds a refreshing acidity that cuts through the richness of the avocado, creating a balanced and vibrant taste. From classic guacamole to avocado toast and salads, this combination adds a fresh and healthy twist to any meal. The bright lime flavor lifts the avocado, making each bite light and satisfying. It's a simple yet delightful pairing that's perfect for any time of the day. Beyond their incredible taste, avocado and lime offer numerous health benefits. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins, while limes are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Together, they create a nutritious and delicious combination. The versatility of avocado and lime allows for endless culinary creativity. Blend them into a refreshing smoothie, whip up a tangy dressing for salads, or even make a delightful avocado lime sorbet for dessert. This avocado lime smoothie is not only delicious, but also incredibly nourishing. It's a fantastic way to start your day or enjoy as a midday pick-me-up. Additionally, for those who love a touch of elegance in their desserts, our next combination is a true classic: strawberries and cream. A simple yet elegant dessert combination. But what makes it so timeless? The sweet, juicy strawberries balance out the rich, smooth cream. The natural sweetness of the strawberries complements the mild flavor of the cream, creating a dessert that's both refreshing and indulgent. Whether served in a bowl, on a cake, or as part of a parfait, this combination is versatile and always delightful. The contrasting textures and flavors make it a favorite for special occasions and everyday treats. It's a classic pairing that's always a crowd pleaser. Strawberries and cream have a rich history, dating back to the 16th century. This combination gained widespread popularity in the UK, especially during events like Wimbledon, where it has become a traditional treat. There are countless ways to put a creative spin on this classic combination. Try making strawberry cream tartlets for a fancy dessert, strawberry cream pancakes for a delightful breakfast, or strawberry cream popsicles for a refreshing summer treat. And finally, for a warm and comforting combination, we turn to a beloved duo that's perfect for any season. Apples and cinnamon, frequently found together in desserts like apple pie. What makes this combination so irresistible? The sweet, slightly tart flavor of apples is beautifully complemented by the warm, spicy taste of cinnamon. The combination creates a depth of flavor that's both comforting and delightful. From apple pie to cinnamon apple oatmeal and apple crisp, this pairing is a staple in many kitchens. The aromatic spice of cinnamon enhances the natural sweetness of apples, making every bite a cozy and delicious experience. It's a pairing that brings warmth and comfort, perfect for any time of the year. Beyond their delightful taste, apples and cinnamon offer numerous health benefits. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamins, while cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Together, they create a healthy and flavorful combination. There are endless ways to enjoy this combination. Try blending them into a cinnamon apple smoothie, baking apple cinnamon muffins for a cozy treat, or making apple cinnamon pancakes for a comforting breakfast. And there you have it, 8 top food combinations that taste great. Each pairing offers its own unique blend of flavors and textures, creating a culinary experience that's truly unforgettable. Whether you're looking for something sweet, savory, or a bit of both, these combinations are sure to delight your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Take care, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.